Hello YouTube, and today we've got a great video for you. We're going to be unboxing the Wltoys 184011 RC car, which has just arrived from China. I'm looking forward to this one. It's a 1/18th scale RC car. It's 4-wheel drive. This is going to be great, don't miss it. As you can see, it's a 2.4 GHz RC car ready to run and 4-wheel drive. It claims it's 30 kilometers an hour, we shall see, and it's a 1/18th scale RC car. This will be very interesting. So look, without further delay, let's get this box off and take a look inside. Here we have a nice charger, instructions as you'd expect. Actually, let's take a look at this charger. Pretty small, sufficient though for an heads. And here we have the RC car itself. Not quite sure how to take this out yet, but let's try this way. Aha! Seems to be a bit cool. There we have it. It's a nice looking car, I have to be honest. I mean, look at that. This cost me £35 off of Banggood's. It's just arrived from China today. Let's take a look under the shell. Let's see what we have. Very well designed. It's not unlike the old Tamiya cars and the Kyosho cars of the early 80s and mid 80s. Very much reminds me of that. So in this box here we have the control unit, so let's take a look inside here at what we have. Standard little control unit. This feels quite cheap actually, it doesn't feel great. Although the wheel here feels nice. This feels quite loose actually. 4 AA batteries which go in here. These are trim controls, on-off switch, and I guess that's to change channel. Feels okay, but it feels very, very cheap. The car itself actually feels nice. It's quite heavy, it's sturdy, it's well made. The chassis feels strong. I like the independent suspension. What we'll do now is place this on charge, get this fully charged, and then we'll take it for a run in the garden and see how we go. Overall, the car feels very plasticky. It's fairly well made, but the controller feels very cheap and nasty. The independent suspension on the wheels is a very nice touch, and the body can easily be removed for battery changing and maintenance by simply removing 2 clips holding the body in place. My overall impression is this is a cheap and low-end RC car. It certainly does what it says on the tin, but I feel by paying a little bit more, we can certainly get something a bit quicker and more enjoyable to drive.